Hello, binary bot enthusiasts. It's your boy, the AI millionaire, back at it again with a lit binary bot strategy. No. To my new homies, welcome to the squad. And for my OG viewers, you already know the deal.
Wait a minute.
All my ninja viewers, grab your swords and strike that subscribe button. Let's get this party started.
Welcome to the Millionaire Channel. Welcome, baby.
Subscribe to the gang.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to another banger. Today's topic is going to be super interesting as we're going to talk about PRNGs and how they're used in trading. So what exactly is PRNG? It stands for pseudo-random number generation, which is a process of generating a sequence of numbers that appears to be random using mathematical algorithms. Now, the numbers generated through PRNG are not actually random, but they're generated in a way that makes them statistically indistinguishable from a truly random sequence. This is why PRNGs are used in a variety of applications, including gambling and trading. One common algorithm used for PRNG is the linear congruential generator, LCG. In binary.com, the digits are generated using the LCG algorithm. Since these digits are random, it's impossible to know which digit will come next while trying to trade. Whether the digits differ or match, the outcome is unpredictable. This is why trading digits in binary.com can be very risky, and traders may find that their overall profitability is very low, or they might not even be profitable at all. No matter how many strategies you come up with, at the end of the day, the house is going to win while trading digits. I learned this the hard way when I was a rookie trader, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes as I did. So my advice to you is to stay away from digits bots and instead learn the basics of market structure and supply and demand. This will help you guys in making a rise and fall bot. Now, the concept of trading digits in binary bots is similar to the gambler's fallacy. Have you guys heard of this before? The gambler's fallacy is a common logical fallacy that occurs when a person believes that previous outcomes of a random event will influence future outcomes, despite the fact that each event is independent of the others. For example, in a game of roulette, a person may believe that because the ball has landed on red for several consecutive spins, it is more likely to land on black in the next spin. In reality, the probability of the ball landing on either red or black remains the same for each spin, regardless of the previous outcomes. Similarly, the gambler's fallacy can also be seen in the stock market, where investors may believe that a stock is more likely to increase in value if it has recently decreased in value, or vice versa. Again, this is a fallacy because the past performance of a stock does not influence its future performance. Overall, the gambler's fallacy is a common misconception that can lead people to make faulty assumptions and decisions, particularly in situations involving randomness or probability. So, what does all of this tell you, my peeps? This is a sign that you should try as much as possible to avoid trading any type of digits contract, be it even and odd, over and under, or matches and differs. Trust me on this one, folks. Stay away from those contracts and normalize trading the rise and fall market. Now, if you want to download my bots for free, make sure you check out my free Telegram channel and download the bots that make you happy. But if you want my premium bot, you can contact me in the comments and we can talk business. You know what I mean? That's it for today's video, folks. If you learned something new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do me a favor of hitting the like button too. Let's make views while the YouTube algorithm shines. Peace out, moi!